We're one day before the retreat. I just wanted to let you guys know this is my first retreat ever. Like, I've never done a retreat. This is a completely new experience for me. How this happened is my cousin is also a vegan chef. His name is Lloyd, Plant Crazy. If you know him already, let me know in the comments. Yeah, so he knows that I'm an intentional living mentor, and I help people find alignment and find ways to actually make a living out of their true selves. Because a lot of times we're doing things in life that deep down we know that we shouldn't be, or we know that we deserve more, or we know that, you know, there's something there out there for us. And I'm a person that knows how to connect with that core and help you align with it so that you can make a living out of it. So I'm an intentional living mentor, and I also have a tea company called Howell's Herbs. I don't know if you guys know about that. I mean, you'd only know that if you search, because like, I don't really make videos like this where I just talk about myself. But let me know if you guys want this type of video, if this makes sense. Anyways, I have a tea company called Howell's Herbs, all about the organic, the true benefits of what herbs and nature can give to you. A lot of times we're going to doctors. I'm not saying that you shouldn't go to a doctor, but a lot of times we're going to doctors, we're going to these different medical institutions that don't necessarily have your best interests. They're just trying to prescribe you a pill or prescribe you with something that will keep you coming back. So I'm all about holistic healing. And I'm not saying you shouldn't also mix that with like going to doctors and stuff like that. I'm just saying that that is an option that you should probably explore. And I'm all about that because, especially in Jamaica and a lot of our cultures, we've been healing ailments for centuries and decades. And we need to still have faith that these methods can still have some type of benefit. You know, traditional medicine should be used, in my opinion, and I'm not a doctor or anything, but traditional medicine, I feel, should be mixed with Western medicine. You know what I mean? You add so that you can create more. You don't delete the old and just say, okay, this is all we're dealing with right now. It doesn't even make no sense. Anyways, so yeah, that was a long tangent, just saying that I have a tea company. And basically it made sense because we're at the Vital Frequency Retreat, and they're all about the same thing that we're about. So we came together and we created this retreat. It's the first of many, for sure. We plan on doing a lot of retreats all across the world. So follow me on Instagram, because literally I don't know if I'm gonna keep making videos like this one, talking about my life and what I do. It's different for me. But you know, if I get the support, leave it in the comments. Be like, yeah, do this. We want to hear about this, and I'll continue doing it. You know. But if you want to 100% get the information and you're thinking, oh, Prince, you're just gonna disappear for another 6 months before you make another video, definitely follow me on Instagram, on my websites. You'll be able to see and follow me and get the information. But yeah, this is gonna be the first of many. This one is in Jamaica. This is actually where I'm from. It's where I'm from, but I haven't been back since I was like 3 years old. So it does feel like home, but like I feel like, yeah, I have a reconnection to it, but I feel like I need to spend more time here to really appreciate it in the way that it needs to be appreciated. Because this country really needs to be appreciated. Anyway, it's going to be a 7-day retreat. We have 14 guests at the Vital Frequency Retreat. Plant Crazy is mainly taking care of most of the stuff because this is his retreat and I'm taking part in one of the days. It's gonna be very interesting, man. We're gonna go to Blue Hole. I think we're going to like Duns River Falls. We're going to Peter's Farm. I don't know all the places by heart, but we're doing a lot of things, man. That's all about connecting to nature, connecting to yourself, which is everything that I'm about, being an intentional living mentor. But also, bonus, having a tea company. So it just goes hand in hand. But yeah, so I just thought I'd just let you guys know what is going on right now, why I have the sun beating me in my face, and why I didn't have, why I'm not, in a city setting. My first day in Jamaica was like, unreal. It's like just landing in Jamaica, I felt like, wow, man, this is insane. Like, I listen to dancehall like crazy. My favorite artist is Mavado. I am Jamaican. You know what I mean? It's like I was raised Jamaican. I am Jamaican. I know everything about being Jamaican, but I haven't been here in so long. So coming back here, it just felt like it's a reconnecting to my roots, I guess. It just feels so like normal, but exciting at the same time. So when I landed, you get into the airport, they're playing reggae music in the airport. I'm like, that makes sense, it's Jamaica. But reggae music is what I listen to in my personal time. Right now, when I'm in Canada, I don't hear reggae music unless I'm playing it or somebody I know is playing it. It's not like played in the airport, right? So hearing some Bob Marley and some Peter Tosh at the airport felt good. Seeing the airport workers, everybody's Jamaican, and I'm like, yo, I understand everybody. I don't know. This is probably not gonna make sense to you, but yeah, I'm like, I understand everybody. Like, then I got out of the airport, the Kingston airport, and then we started our drive. We made a stop in Kingston. We went to the fruit market. I think I got footage, but I'm not sure if I got footage. But if I do have footage, I'm gonna leave it like right here. But like, yeah, we went to the food market. Everybody's selling like everything. It's crazy to see, like, everybody's hustling. Like the grandmas, the kids, and everything in between, the babies. Everybody's hustling, trying to sell you a pineapple, trying to sell you a mango. Like, it's an amazing vibe, And then I went to Mara's, had a patty, the cocoa bread. And yeah, it was a beautiful experience. And then we just made a lot of pit stops, went to like people's houses and stuff like that. I'm like, is this safe? But yeah, so, and then we drove up to the retreat. So you can look up, you can Google right now from the airport in Kingston to Vital Frequency Retreat. Just Google the distance. It's a hell of a distance. It's a hell of a distance. So yeah, that's what I did. And now we're here. Right now it's the second day. I just woke up. Thought I'd check in with you. And yeah, I'm gonna let you know how this retreat goes from start to finish. I just hope that you can hear me. I hope that the sound is not like terrible. I don't know if I should like press a button or something, but like I hope you can hear me because it will suck if you can't. The video is already created. Tomorrow is going to be the first day of the retreat. That's when the people start showing up. There's 14 days. There's 14 people, and the people are going to start showing up tomorrow. This is my first time hosting a retreat. I've done a lot of like events in my life, because I've had many companies, people-facing companies that I had to give presentations, I had to be a guide, I had to help a large body of people, get from point A to point B. I've also had event companies where there's like thousands of people that I am responsible for, But nothing like this. So this is my first time. I'm gonna let you guys know how that goes. And I think I want to make a video about stepping into the unknown, you know, because that's really what I'm doing, and that's really what I did in this circumstance. So leave a comment below if you want me to make a video about stepping into the unknown and how, you know, no matter how unknown it is, if you have a calling inside of you to do something, it's like your core already knew, your soul already knew. So your conscious self didn't really understand it yet. But the things that are for you. It's like I always say, what is for you can't pass you, and what passes you is not for you, at least not in that moment. So you gotta have faith. Stepping into the unknown is not only a scary thing to do, for sure, but it's a very necessary thing to do. Not because it feels uncommon that it's something that you shouldn't explore, because what is uncommon? It's just something that you haven't done. When you start doing it, it's gonna become common. So this is your life. Appreciate the fact that you're here and you can do these things, that you have the help to do these things, that you have the energy, the capacity to do these things. A lot of times we're like, oh, we're gonna do things in the future, but you don't know if you're gonna have the help and the energy to do it. Energy is a real thing. You could just become a lazy person and not want to do things anymore. You can have all these thoughts in your brain and just be like, you know what, I can't bother, you know what I mean? So always when you wake up in the morning, give thanks that you have the energy to actualize your ideas, that you have the energy to actually take a step forward and continue this journey of life, because life is not easy. But you should be proud of yourself every single day that you wake up and you give yourself another chance to become. So yeah, if you want a video on stepping into the unknown, let me know in the comments and I'll elaborate on this. Hopefully I'll be able to shoot it in Jamaica, so let me know ASAP. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one.